2017 Ford Mustang GT50. It's got a little bit of work done to the motor. We're not going to say. He's still tuning it, so he might bring it back once it's done. But for right now, it's got long tube headers right there, right there. It's been a father-son project, so it's awesome. I love father-son projects. So they put the long tube headers. They had some engine work done. A catback Borla exhaust, but it wasn't lining up too good. So he brought it to us and we lined it up for him and tacked it and all that. So we always recommend with anything over 500 to 700 horsepower that you always tack the clamps so they don't rattle off or break like it happened with him, and it loosened up a little bit. So always tack them. It just gives it a little bit more reinforcement. You can always take a Sawzall or a chop saw and just cut it. Anyways, there it is. Right out the back with the Borla ATAK catback system also. Out the back. There it is. Nice and clean. We cleaned it up, pushed it back, and just cleaned it up for him. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, hit that subscribe. You can tell it's a beast. Idle is 83. All right, give it gas. Again. 124, that's crazy. No more revving.
We can't take it way up.
Yeah, no, we only go to not even 4,000 RPM. We don't do any more. 3,000. That's crazy.
It's fine.
Yeah. I love how you did it. It's clean. It's not overly done. I like that. Wow. Go ahead. Wow. It bounces off the apartments in the back. One more. Good. All right. I think that's enough. He's going to take it down the road for us. Ford Mustang GT. Fully built. If you guys can guess what's under the hood, let me know. You can? What is it, a 5.0? The long tube headers and Borla catback system. He's still tuning it, that's why we didn't do the inside. We didn't rev it too hard. He says when it peaks, it's loud. It's obnoxious loud. That's sick. I like it.